Renew My Car specialises in small accident repairs, saving you time, effort and money. Renew My Car has partnered with Bosch Car Service to deliver everything your car needs, whether it is mechanical servicing or to remove cosmetic damage and make your car look like new again. Renew My Car repairs are of the highest quality and are insurance approved. Our aim is not only to repair your vehicle, but to reduce your time waiting without your car. By minimizing the repair size, we can complete jobs quicker, cheaper, and more efficiently. Many times, this means that the cost of repair is less than your excess. Whether your repair is insured or private, you can expect the same quality and price every time. Because Renew My Car is focused on being the best in the industry, each Bosch workshop is comprehensively equipped with the best tools. All of our equipment is aimed at delivering the best quality repair in the shortest period of time. Our use of industry-leading technologies and brands allow our repairs to carry a lifelong guarantee on workmanship and on colour. Renew My Car uses the Cyrex water-based paint system provided by Axalta, a world-leading paint manufacturer. Renew My Car's switch to Cyrex was inspired by the colour guarantee, the reduction of harmful chemicals, and the increased environmental benefits of using a cutting-edge water-based paint system. With the use of the colour spectrometer, Renew My Car technicians can be 100% confident in their colour matching. If your car needs some attention, whether it's mechanical or cosmetic, drop into a participating Bosch Car Service or request a quote online at www.renewmycar.co.za.